Hey guys, it's Lily. Welcome back to my channel. And today I am going to be doing clay slime. And I've wanted to make this for a long time. And I've seen a lot of videos on it and it's really exciting. So I'm going to do that. And first, you need a white batch of slime or like whatever color, but I think white would be the best. And I don't use real clay if you do this. Use Model Magic. And I got mine from Michael's, and I also did like a little store shopping video if you want to go check that out. And I got light blue. So I'll be making my white slime, and I don't have a bowl, so I'll be making it on the table. So let's get started. And I gotta go fast so the glue won't run off the table. So a key thing is that lotion makes it less hard and shaving cream makes it fluffier but harder. So if you ever want to make yours softer, use lotion and that would help. So here's my white slime, and I'm going to be putting the Model Magic in it. So I'm going to press down on my slime. And now I'm going to add the Model Magic out of this. And I love Model Magic so much. It's just so like, oh, this one's weird. Feels like my slime. It's kind of hard. Okay, so this is how they do it. Press down, bring it out, and then they go over, and this is when they mix. I'm not sure what is happening right now. That was the slime, by the way. Let's see what's going on in here. So it seems to be that it's moving around a lot. Yeah, it's in there. So it's really hard to mix, and I don't think it should be this hard. Like it can't break it, it's so hard. So the slime in the first place wasn't good, so yours will probably be better. I used too much borax on this one, and so I think the slime in the first place was very weird. So the clay made it better in a way, but to mix it, it was hard. It was like mixing pizza dough, but pizza dough is softer than this. Real hard, and as hard as it can get is like pretty hard. So here it is. And it can stretch, but then it will break. So this slime, this clay slime didn't turn out exactly how I wanted it to be, but it's pretty fun. And I probably wouldn't just play with this on a daily basis, but it's more of like a stress ball, because it's like that. It kind of feels like that, where it's not like super gooey, but it's super hard. So you should try to make clay slime too, and let me know in the comments below what your clay slime turned out to be, and tell me if it's like mine, or if it's fluffy, or if it's super hard, or if it was a fail, or if it was really good. Please like and subscribe and comment down below. So see you next time. Bye.